The Chinese continue to amaze the world. The Chinese company Wofei Changkong Technology has introduced the innovative flying transportation vehicle AE-200. The company specializes in the development and commercialization of low-altitude transportation solutions and is based in Chengdu, China. The maximum takeoff weight of the aircraft is 2,500 kilograms. The maximum speed is 320 kilometers per hour. The maximum flight altitude is 1,000 meters above ground level, or 3,000 meters above sea level, and the maximum flight range is 200 kilometers. AE-200 combines the advantages of a helicopter and an airplane, providing fast and efficient transport in urban congestion conditions. Its main functions include passenger transportation, emergency medical assistance, and other types of air transport. In June 2024, AE-200 successfully completed its first public test flights, including full load flights and transition modes. Hang glider pilot Christian Mulek has tamed a flock of Canadian geese and flies with them around the world. The birds see him as their flock leader. In the 1990s, French meteorologist Christian Mulek noticed that flocks of small, lesser white-fronted geese struggled to find their migratory route from Germany to Lapland in northern Sweden. To help them, in 1995, Christian Mulek acquired a two-seat ultralight aircraft to guide the birds along the safest migration path. At first, the birds refused to follow him, but soon the ecologist's efforts proved successful. In recent years, Christian has begun inviting tourists to join his journeys. People from all over the world visit Mulek and his airborne companions to spend 35 minutes in the air between March and October. While flying with the flock, passengers witness breathtaking views of castles, deserts, mountains, bridges, and cities from above. Sometimes the route passes through Edinburgh in Scotland and Venice in Italy. Mulek's passengers come from all walks of life and have diverse backgrounds. Most are Europeans, though some must spend 15 hours on a plane before embarking on a flight with the ecologist. This development, the amphibious gyrocopter Cruker, is a unique combination of a rotary wing aircraft and a seaplane, allowing takeoff and landing on both water and land. Created by a Canadian engineer, this ultralight aircraft features an innovative design and high maneuverability. The aircraft is controlled via a minimalist instrument panel. The gyrocopter's power system varies depending on the model. For example, one version is equipped with a Yamaha Apex engine producing 150 horsepower, a three-blade propeller with a diameter of 74 inches, and 30-foot carbon fiber rotors. This configuration ensures excellent flight performance and reliability in operation. After many years of research, development, and independent testing, American high-tech inventor Hunter Kowald has unveiled a fully functional hoverboard, and it truly flies. According to the inventor, his hoverboard can lift a rider to a height of up to 150 meters. The drone is designed to be as compact as possible to ensure safe maneuverability in the air and a stable position for the pilot. The hoverboard's frame is custom-built from carbon fiber, and Hunter used industrial-grade components for the chassis, prioritizing safety above anything else. Even if 2 of the 8 motors fail during flight, the hoverboard can still land safely. To control the hoverboard in the air, Hunter uses a remote control along with a navigation system certified by the Federal Aviation Administration of the United States. Engineers from Kittyhawk have developed the Flyer, a single-seat electric aircraft with vertical takeoff and landing, designed for travel over water surfaces. The Kittyhawk Flyer is equipped with 10 electric propellers and runs on battery power, ensuring a quiet and environmentally friendly flight. Its maximum speed is 32 kilometers per hour, with a flight time of up to 20 minutes. The body of the aircraft is made from carbon fiber and other lightweight composite materials, making the structure both strong and lightweight. The vehicle weighs 113 kilograms, and the minimum flight altitude is just 0.9 meters. The Flyer is designed for maximum ease of operation, and the developers claim that a pilot can learn to fly it in just a few hours. However, the aircraft is not intended for use within city limits. It is specifically designed for flights over water. The American company Skysurfer Aircraft has developed an innovative personal flying vehicle called Skysurfer. Skysurfer is the smallest personal aircraft in the world, capable of folding to a size that allows it to be transported on a passenger airplane. This gives users the ability to take the device almost anywhere. The structure is made from patented materials with a nano coating, ensuring the aircraft's lightness and durability. The basic model is designed for beginners, offering essential features at an affordable price. It is ideal for those who want to experience flight on a limited budget. The official launch of Skysurfer aircraft took place on January 17, 2024, with the introduction of the Skysurfer Pro 2.0. The company offers the option to pre-order through its official website, where customers can place a refundable deposit of $100 to reserve a spot in the production queue. Meet Skyrider X1, an innovative flying transportation vehicle developed by the United States-based company Recon. Skyrider X1 is a single-seat vehicle with an enclosed cabin made of carbon fiber and aerospace-grade aluminum. In ground mode, it rests on two main wheels, with retractable supports providing additional stability. For flight, it features 4 extendable legs, each equipped with 2 powerful fans, making a total of 8 propellers. In ground mode, the maximum speed reaches 70 km per hour. The flight speed goes up to 100 km per hour, with a maximum altitude of 200 meters. Skyrider X1 is expected to go on sale in 2026 at a price of approximately $60,000. However, it is important to note that widespread adoption of such transportation will require significant changes in legislation and infrastructure, which could impact the timeline and conditions for its market release. The American company Rise Aero Technologies recently demonstrated its new flying vehicle called Recon. This single-seat electric multicopter with vertical takeoff and landing is specifically designed for use in rural areas and the agricultural sector. Recon enables rapid transportation across difficult terrains where traditional vehicles may struggle. The aircraft is equipped with 6 independent electric motors and removable batteries, providing a maximum speed of 101 km per hour and a flight range of approximately 40 kilometers. An interesting feature of Recon is its ability to take off and land on both land and water, expanding its functionality in various conditions. Additionally, operating this ultralight aircraft does not require a pilot's license. In June 2024, the company launched sales of Recon at a price of approximately $150,000, marketing it as a flying all-terrain vehicle for farmers. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. Goodbye.